Cumin is not optional. It is structural. Many spices decorate food. Cumin defines it. Remove cumin from certain cuisines and entire flavor systems collapse. This is not exaggeration. It is culinary architecture. Cumin comes from the plant Cuminum ciminum, a flowering plant in the Apiaceae family, the same family as parsley, coriander, and carrots. The seeds are small, elongated, ridged, and brownish yellow. What they lack in size, they dominate in impact. Cumin originated in the eastern Mediterranean and South Asia. Archaeological evidence places cumin seeds in ancient Egyptian tombs. That alone tells you everything. If a civilization believed something deserved to accompany the dead into eternity, it mattered. Ancient Egyptians used cumin as seasoning, medicine, and preservative. Its antimicrobial properties helped slow spoilage. Flavor was survival. The Greeks and Romans followed. In Rome, cumin was both spice and status. It was expensive. It traveled. It signaled connection to trade networks and power. Cumin moved east and south through trade routes, embedding itself deeply in Indian, Middle Eastern, North African, and later Latin American cuisines. Unlike many spices that stayed regional, cumin went global early. Flavor-wise, cumin is warm, earthy, nutty, slightly bitter, and deeply aromatic. It has a smoky undertone even when raw. Toast it, and the aroma blooms aggressively. This aroma comes from volatile oils, primarily cuminaldehyde. This compound defines cumin's identity. It activates smell before taste. You recognize cumin before you consciously know it is there. Cumin does not sit on top of food. It integrates. It binds flavors together. It gives dishes a center of gravity. That is why cumin appears in spice blends across cultures. Garam masala, curry powder, baharat, ras el hanout, taco seasoning, chili powder. Entire cuisines converge on cumin independently. Cumin is not sweet. It is not hot. It is not floral. It is grounding. In Indian cuisine, cumin is foundational. Seeds are bloomed in hot oil at the beginning of cooking. This technique releases fat-soluble aromas that become the backbone of the dish. Without cumin, the dish feels hollow. In Middle Eastern cooking, cumin pairs with lamb, chickpeas, lentils, and yogurt. It cuts richness and adds depth without overpowering. In Mexican cuisine, cumin defines the savory profile of meats and beans. Remove cumin from chili, and you do not have chili. You have stew. Cumin's bitterness is subtle but essential. It balances sweetness and fat. It prevents dishes from becoming flat. Raw cumin tastes harsh. Cooked cumin tastes round. This transformation is critical. Heat converts sharp compounds into warm complexity. Whole cumin seeds and ground cumin behave differently. Seeds provide bursts of flavor and texture. Ground cumin distributes evenly and creates cohesion. Serious cooking uses both strategically. Nutritionally, cumin is concentrated. It contains iron, magnesium, calcium, and antioxidants. Gram for gram, cumin is one of the richest plant sources of iron. Historically, this mattered. Medicinally, cumin has been used for digestion for thousands of years. It stimulates digestive enzymes, reduces bloating, and improves nutrient absorption. This is why cumin-heavy cuisines often involve legumes. Cumin does not just flavor food. It helps you process it. Modern research confirms antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. Traditional knowledge was not guessing. It was observing. Cumin also played a role in preservation. Its oils inhibit bacterial growth. Before refrigeration, this was life-saving. Culturally, cumin carries symbolism. In some traditions, it represented fidelity. In others, protection. In medieval Europe, cumin was used in charms and rituals. Why? Because cumin was valuable, potent, and rare. Agriculturally, cumin is delicate. It requires warm climates, specific soil conditions, and careful harvesting. The seeds are harvested by hand, dried, and cleaned. Quality depends on freshness. Old cumin loses aroma fast. This is why freshly ground cumin tastes radically different from pre-ground supermarket versions. Aroma is everything. Visually, cumin is understated. No bright colors, no drama. This mirrors its role. It does not show off. It supports. The biggest mistake with cumin is overuse. Too much cumin dominates and turns bitter. Precision matters. Another mistake is skipping toasting. Untoasted cumin tastes dusty. Toasted cumin tastes alive. Cumin is also often confused with caraway. They are related but not interchangeable. Caraway is sharper, more anise-like. Cumin is warmer and deeper. Cumin is a spice that teaches restraint. It rewards balance. It punishes excess. It is not optional. It is not decorative. It is not trendy. It is ancient, functional, and still undefeated. Cumin is proof that flavor systems were engineered long before modern science named them.